Welcome to this video or blog on Introduction to Discovery-Based Learning. Instructional designers constantly search for new and innovative ways to engage learners. One approach that has shown promise is discovery-based learning. This type of learning allows learners to take an active role in their education. The instructional strategies following this approach encourage learners to uncover new information and concepts independently. When used correctly, discovery-based learning can be a powerful tool for engaging and motivating learners. This video and blog post will explore the basics of discovery-based learning and discuss how it can be used effectively by instructional designers. Please subscribe to our channel or blog to learn more about instructional design. Also, check out our instructional design courses by clicking the link in the description. What is discovery-based learning? Discovery-based learning is also known as inquiry-based learning. It encourages learners to explore and expand their knowledge during training. The method promotes an active, constructive approach that enables learners to identify problems and possible solutions. This autonomous exploration provides multiple benefits, such as increased interest in the subject matter, improved logical thinking skills, enhanced ability to learn independently, and a greater sense of personal ownership and responsibility over the learning process. Developing these critical skills will better prepare learners for further academic or professional exploration, and help them become independent decision makers. Applying discovery-based learning in training design. You can incorporate discovery-based learning in their training designs by creating an interactive environment to engage learners. This can be accomplished by providing problem-solving activities and tasks that allow learners to explore topics independently and uncover unknown information. Through this process, instructional designers or training facilitators foster learner autonomy and the development of critical thinking skills. Additionally, hands-on activities give students ownership of their learning experience, as they are actively involved in discovering content, rather than passively receiving facts from the instructor. As such, discovery-based learning allows instructors to teach complex concepts in a stimulating and motivating way for learners. Examples of successful discovery-based learning activities. Many educators have been experimenting with discovery-based learning activities. These activities are designed to keep students engaged by encouraging them to ask questions and interact with materials that might otherwise be too overwhelming. Some examples include online simulations, introducing real-world problems or issues while presenting them with applicable solutions, and fact-based research activities. Additional implementation could involve presenting either problems or solutions in videos that the learners explore. By combining delivery via various multimedia elements, classrooms can successfully create an environment of collaboration and creativity. This also encourages critical thinking and decision-making skills. Drawbacks to using discovery-based learning. Discovery-based learning puts the onus of instruction on the learners, allowing them to pursue topics of interest and come to their conclusions. While this approach encourages independent thought, creativity, and problem-solving skills, certain drawbacks should be considered. A lack of structure can lead to confusion and frustration if the students do not have the prerequisite knowledge or access to resources. Additionally, if students become overly focused on one specific path, without considering alternative solutions or outcomes, it can stunt their progress. Lastly, discovery-based learning is significantly more time-consuming than traditional instruction because activities require multiple attempts before reaching a viable solution. Thank you for watching this video or reading the blog.